I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make margherita pizza without yeast. First, let's prepare our quick dough. In a large bowl, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Gradually add 3/4 cup of warm water and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix until a shaggy dough forms. Then knead for about 5 minutes on a floured surface until it's smooth and elastic. This dough is ready to use immediately. Now that our dough is ready, let's add the classic margherita toppings. Roll out your dough to about a 12-inch circle on a lightly floured surface. Transfer it to a baking sheet or pizza stone. Spread about 1/4 cup of high-quality San Marzano tomato sauce evenly, leaving a small border for the crust. Then, scatter 4 ounces of fresh mozzarella cheese, torn into small pieces, over the sauce. Finally, arrange 6 to 8 fresh basil leaves. Baking this yeast-free pizza is quick and easy. Preheat your oven to 475 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 15 minutes to ensure it's piping hot. Carefully transfer your assembled pizza into the preheated oven. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly and slightly browned. Once out of the oven, let it cool for a minute or 2. For an even crispier crust, consider using a preheated pizza stone. You can also add a pinch of sugar to your dough mixture to help with browning. This simple, no-yeast margherita pizza is perfect for a quick weeknight meal or when you're short on time. It's fresh, flavorful, and incredibly satisfying. Remember to check the description for the link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade pizza.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.